I was asked to address some questions and concerns about exercise and pregnancy. When I first meet someone, I try to get an assessment of what someone is interested in as far as exercise. Is everyone starting out with a different routine? My first advice is always to know that pregnancy is a time where we want you to try to be healthy, and incorporating exercise into that routine along with healthy diet is something we strive for. When we're thinking about how to embark on an exercise routine, I will usually review that it's not wise to start out with something you've never done before. I think if you're someone who's been an avid exerciser prior to pregnancy, we generally feel that you can continue along with what you've normally done in the past. If you've never done exercise during any other time in your life, pregnancy is probably not the best time to start. If you were to start an exercise routine, it might not be a bad idea to start out with just walking and general light weights. The things that we tend to think about as far as avoiding in pregnancy would be things that are extreme heavy lifting, things that prolong the amount of time that you're spent in the laying flat position, and things that may increase the chances of you potentially going into labor or potentially having the water break, such as high impact, high intensity things like jet skiing. We don't generally, encourage people to go scuba diving. So once again, it's things that you've done in the past, maybe continuing along with that type of a routine, but not generally starting something new. Another caveat would be making sure that you remain well hydrated whenever you exercise, particularly in the summer months. It's not generally a good idea to think about running 5 miles on a 90-degree blistering hot day. You may be better off trying to do things early in the morning or later in the afternoon. But the best situation is always just to ask your provider what might be the best thing for you to consider trying, and we can always coach you along the way.